What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler and this is Earth's Cuisine. So the new Spider-Man No Way Home movie comes out today, and that's why today I'm going to show you how to make a vegan Spider-Man spaghetti. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So for this recipe, you'll need 1 jar of tomato sauce, about 16 ounces of red lentil spaghetti, a pinch of black bean spaghetti, and about 1.5 cups of vegan shredded mozzarella cheese. All right, without any more delay, let's get cooking.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed. Life destroyed.
All right, and here we have our vegan Spider-Man spaghetti. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video. Share it with a friend. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.